Wagwan lovelies, welcome back to the channel, guys. You already know it's your girl Lisa, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I set up this gorgeous jewelry box that I purchased off of Amazon. When I purchased this jewelry box, I got it for $128 on sale, but the original price for this box is $179. I'm telling you, it's worth it. So the things that I wasn't pleased about was how I got my package. Like, I got my box with a huge rip in the top. I'm not sure if this is when they were offloading it to bring it onto my steps at my front door, but I'm telling you, I wasn't too pleased about that. And I had a couple dent marks in the box itself, like a couple pokes and stuff. Look at that hole, guys. It is huge. So currently this is how I store my jewelry at the moment. I have a lot of small jewelry boxes, but also I tend to keep back the boxes from jewelries that I've purchased, and I just store my multiple jewelries all over. Okay, if literally you look around, I have jewelry everywhere. Alright, so yeah, this is what I'm doing at the moment. I have these little trays that I got from Walmart also that I used to arrange some of my jewelries, and that just made it easier for me to store my jewelry. Okay, so let's get into setting up this box. And guys, I'm honestly gonna say I was so worried when I cut open the jewelry box because I wasn't sure if anything got broken because of the dents and that big tear that was in the top of this box. So to my surprise, everything looked good. Okay, nothing was broken, I guess because the foam was really thick. Thank the Lord. Okay, because I did not want to have to ship this back to get another one, so I'm grateful for that. If you take a closer look, you can see that they've put the paper for the instructions on how to set up this mirror, and it's nicely wrapped with plastic. Okay, so all of the pieces on the instruction sheets are labeled alphabetically, which makes it a little bit easier to arrange, and it also shows you the two various ways that you can go about setting up this jewelry box. It can be hung over your door, or you can set it up as a wall mount. I'm just gonna go ahead and start by removing this plastic with my scissors, and try to be gentle just so you can avoid scratching your mirror. So after the plastic is removed, there's a label that tells you that the key is inside if you're having troubles, just to try a little bit harder to open it. And if you need to use your keys to close your jewelry box, you'll find the lock right on the side of your box. Upon first opening my jewelry box, I was so amazed with all the compartments that this jewelry box has. It also has a little mirror on the inside, so if I need to look at myself, I don't have to close the box to see how my jewelries accentuate my appearance. It also came with this little red packet which contains all the screws, the keys, and pretty much everything that I needed to put my jewelry box together. So it came with a set to hang if you needed to hang it on the door, and it also comes with the screws that you need for mounting your box on the wall. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip this over, and because I'll be mounting my jewelry box on the door for now, I'm just going to be using these screws, the smaller screws that I found, to attach my hook that goes right on the back there, and I'll get those in place, and I'll show you guys how I go ahead to put these in and attach it to my door. Follow the manual that you got in the box, you'll pretty much find that setting up this jewelry box is pretty easy. As long as you follow the steps, you can't go wrong. So now that I have my jewelry box hanging on my door, I'm just gonna go ahead to remove that protective film. And I thought that was a scratch, but it can actually be removed because I did remove it by cleaning the mirror down. And that little red light on the outer portion of the mirror is what I would click to turn my LED light on. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to be organizing my jewelry, but sit back and enjoy watching as I try to figure this out. So I did figure out how I wanted to hang my jewelry. So I decided to put my hoop earrings at the two lower shelves at the bottom. And for the placement of my other earrings, I just went with whatever color works best together. I put all my bracelets on my little bar that's hanging there. I put my watches below, my perfumes after, and while arranging my chains, I did a rose gold to silver theme. So starting at rose gold at the end and gold in the middle with silver on the other side. And at the top there, I have all my rings and all my knobs, okay, just above the mirror. And in the trays, I have pretty much beads. So I try to go with tones, the tones that are closer to each other. As you guys can see, this pouch came in really handy. Here I put my extra bracelets and beads and necklaces that I like to pair every now and then. Most of the hoops that you see, you can find those on my website. If you're interested, be sure to check that out. And I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best purchases that I've ever made off of Amazon. You won't regret it, okay? It's been a little while since I've been using this and I love it. I love it. It helps me so much. It makes my life so much easier. I don't have my jewelries thrown all over after I take them off. I just come back, I put my jewelries in, and yeah, it makes life easy and I'm happy about it. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the family, okay?